I bought and tested these electric knife sharpeners so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I know how frustrating dull knives can be, especially when you're trying to whip up a meal. Trust me, I've been there. These are the top 5 sharpeners that can transform your kitchen experience. Product number 1. Chef's Choice 15XV Edge Select Professional Electric Knife Sharpener. Right out of the box, I was impressed by its solid build and sleek gray design. Weighing in at 4.19 pounds, it feels sturdy and substantial, which gives you confidence when using it. The first time I plugged it in, I was eager to see how well it could transform my dull kitchen knives. After a little over a minute of sharpening, I was amazed at how effortlessly my knife sliced through a tomato. No squishing or tearing, just clean cuts. This sharpener features a 3-stage edge select sharpening system, which means you can convert your regular 20-degree edges into high-performance 15-degree edges. The first 2 stages are equipped with 100% diamond abrasives that sharpen and hone, while the 3rd stage polishes your serrated knives. I found the flexible spring guides took the guesswork out of maintaining the correct angle, which is perfect for anyone who's not a knife sharpening expert. The on-off switch is simple to use, and I appreciated that it didn't take long to get my knives back to razor-sharp quality. However, there are a couple of downsides. At around $143, it's a bit pricier than some basic models, and it's not the most portable option for those who might want to sharpen knives on the go. Additionally, it's designed primarily for straight and serrated knives, so if you're looking to sharpen specialty blades, you might want to look elsewhere. Why buy it? If you want a professional-grade sharpener that can handle both straight and serrated knives with ease, the Chef's Choice 15XV is a fantastic investment. It combines durability with efficiency, ensuring that your knives are always ready to go, making your cooking experience smoother and more enjoyable. Product number 2. Presto 08800 Eversharp Electric Knife Sharpener. Is the Presto 08800 Eversharp Electric Knife Sharpener. This one caught my eye because of its budget-friendly price point of just $47.99. When I unboxed it, I was pleasantly surprised by its compact size, perfect for any kitchen countertop. Weighing 2.95 pounds, it's light enough to move around if needed. I decided to test it on my old sport knife that had seen better days. The 2-stage sharpening system was straightforward to use. The sapphirite wheels ground the blade to a precise angle, and I could feel the difference as I drew the knife through each slot. In just a few pulls, it was back to a razor-sharp edge. The precision blade guides ensured I didn't have to worry about whether I was holding the blade at the right angle. I loved how quickly I was able to achieve professional results without any fuss. On the flip side, the materials feel a little less premium compared to some higher-end models. While it works well for most non-serrated blades, it might struggle with thicker knives. Also, it's not as robust as some of the pricier options. So, why buy it? If you're looking for a reliable, no-frills sharpener that delivers results without breaking the bank, the Presto 08800 Eversharp is an excellent choice. It's perfect for home cooks who want to maintain their knives without spending a fortune. Product number 4. Presto 08810 Professional. We have the Presto 08810 Professional Electric Knife Sharpener. Retailing at around $69.29, this sharpener is designed for those who want professional results at home. The first thing I noticed was its larger size, which might take up more counter space, but it also feels robust and reliable. I decided to put it to the test with a variety of blades, including my chef's knife and a couple of hunting knives. The 3-stage sharpening system was incredibly effective. What I loved most was the adjustable blade thickness selector. It allowed me to select the optimal sharpening angle depending on the thickness of the blade, whether it was thick for hunting knives or thin for paring knives. The blade guides held the knives at the perfect angle, which made it nearly impossible to mess up the sharpening process. In just a few minutes, my knives were sharper than they had been in ages, and the extra fine grit ceramic wheel provided a fine hone that left them gleaming. One downside is that it's a bit bulkier compared to other models, which might not be ideal for smaller kitchens. Additionally, it can be a bit noisy during operation, but I found it to be manageable. Why buy it? If you want a versatile electric knife sharpener that can handle a range of blade thicknesses and deliver professional results, the Presto 08810 is a solid option. It's perfect for serious home cooks and outdoor enthusiasts alike who appreciate sharp, reliable knives. Product number 5, Lafugo Electric Knife Sharpener. Priced at just $34.99, I was curious to see if it could perform as well as some of the pricier models. Its compact, handheld design is incredibly portable, making it suitable for travel or small kitchen spaces. Weighing only 2.4 pounds, it's light, but it still feels well made. I decided to give it a go with my everyday kitchen knives. This sharpener features a 3-speed electric sharpening system, which is quite unique. The low setting is great for delicate blades, while the high setting is meant for heavy-duty, straight-edge blades. I found the cordless design to be liberating, as I could sharpen my knives anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. The ergonomic grip also made it easy to handle, even during longer sharpening sessions. However, it's important to note that this sharpener isn't designed for serrated blades, which might limit its functionality for some users. Additionally, the battery life is decent, but not exceptional, lasting about 60 minutes of continuous use. Why buy it? If you're looking for a portable and versatile electric knife sharpener that offers great performance for straight-edge blades, the Lafugo is definitely worth considering. Its unique features and user-friendly design make it an excellent choice for anyone who values convenience. In conclusion, each of these electric knife sharpeners has its own strengths and weaknesses, catering to different needs and budgets. Whether you're a home cook looking for convenience or a culinary enthusiast seeking professional results, there's a sharpener on this list for you. I hope this deep dive helps you make an informed decision and keep your knives sharp and ready for action.